In this video, I'll show you how to redeem a Roblox gift card, and it's really simple. All you have to do is go to the Roblox app, and in this top corner over here, select the Robux icon, and then it's going to load this Roblox page, and it's going to tell me that my balance is 0. Now what you want to do, you're going to want to scroll down, and in the frequently asked questions, you're going to select how to redeem your gift card. Go and select that, and then it's going to give you a link right here, the roblox.com/redeem. If you click that, it's going to open this redeem Roblox codes page. All you have to do is enter the code and select the confirmation that you're 18 years of older, or that a parent and legal guardian agrees to this, and you type in the code. Once you type in the code, all you have to do is hit redeem, and if it's a valid code, it will add it to your account, and it's just that simple.